Hello and welcome to HTPMR. Guys, here we see now to see in the Python programming. Let's begin with Python. Okay, suppose x equal to we give two values 2 and y we give. Suppose we take any name Ram. Okay, and with Ram Sita etc. Okay, afterwards suppose we have to print in our output, so we have to take print round bracket x. We have get the x output, like see we got the 2 in this terminal. Here you can see we got the output that is 2. Afterwards we have to print the y1. So in this case the y is executed to. Okay, we can see here is the result. Okay, Ram and Sita, that is printed by this. And suppose we have to print directly, so in the print in the curly brace double inverted comma hello and the friends. Okay, and spelling is not mistake. No guys, don't laugh. Comment please if there is mistake. Okay, now we have printed this way. Okay, this is we can see the hello friends we have printed by the print. Okay, there are the different way to print the outputs. And suppose we have to print like this way. Don't think that about these spaces, because this such things happens in Python. This is not take an error. Okay, the same. If you think that we are now, I see you that it's show. Suppose this I will not given the space. Now it's still print. Okay, afterwards suppose I have to see which type of it. Print type the kilometers x. What type of x? This is what type of is it this x? This is integer type, I know. See the class integer type, it's printed. Okay, suppose I have to know what about y. By using type keyword we got the best solutions. Okay, this is very simple codes. Okay, some things happen, but okay, spelling mistake. Okay, this way we can execute here. This is the type of string, because these are multiple. Okay, string you know very well. because you have learned the C, Java, etc. such types of programs. Okay, the time is gone outwards, so we have stopped here. Okay, thank you guys for support.